Ta-da-da. I didn't even plan to love this bag like this, but here we are. Wagwan, my beautiful people. This is not the usual unboxing videos I would record when I personally buy the item and unboxing it, because this purse was a gift for my birthday. That's how you know this is the honest review, because it's been a couple months since I've been using the purse. It's currently in a dust bag. I try to keep my purse in a dust bag, but let me do the reveal. Ta-da-da. I didn't even plan to love this bag like this, but here we are. This became my once I'm outside, it's gonna be with me purse. I am in love. This is literally my favorite purse that I currently have right now. This right here. I love it. So as you can see, it's the tote bag by Marc Jacobs. It's color black with white fonts, but the Marc Jacobs is in silver. Marc Jacobs silver, the tote bag white, and the bag itself is black. For me, it's the perfect color because it's black, and black goes with everything and anything. Also, the size is big enough for work. I would say this type of style is mainly for the office girlies, the girls that works in the office. It's black. They could wear this black purse with any color clothes that they're wearing Monday to Friday during the week, and the size is perfect, especially for the office girlies. You could fit your wallet, your phone, your makeup pouch, your keys, your planner, or your notebook, your water bottle. Like, you could fit everything in this tote bag. Like, I love the bag. Everything for work me can fit, and it still can zip up. I love it. Like I said, it's a birthday gift from a friend that listens, because I've always been talking about this purse, not expecting her to go out there and buy it. Like, when I opened the bag that day on my birthday and saw it was this, I froze. I was like, what? I almost started crying, because when someone listens and buy what you actually like, want, or need, or whatever you call it, I will cherish that gift forever, because I love well thought out gifts. Oh, I still have the tags and stuff in here. That's how much I love the bag. When I got this bag, I went as far as ordering dust bags for this bag, and then I ordered an extra one for the Marc Jacobs black Dempsey bag that I did the review on. The back also has a stitching, Marc Jacobs style, the tote bag, location New York City, year 1984. So this is the detail of the bag, like where it was made. What, 1984? Maybe a 1984 Marc Jacobs starts. I don't know. Here is the strap for the bag. I try to keep it inside the bag so I don't lose it. Adjustable straps. It's silver and black, and you just hook on both sides, or you could just remove the straps and wear it without any strap, like, you know, the office girlies. Like, good morning. Huh? You talking to me, or are you talking to my tote bag? Oh, okay, that's what I thought. Very spacious, stylish, but practical, and you could wear this with any outfit. Like, it's such a dainty bag. Once I load it up, my shoulder feel it. All right, so the inside, let me remove the strap. The inside is also black. Yes, there are bags out there with the inside is different color. Like my Dempsey couch bag that I did the review, inside is like a burgundy reddish cherry looking color, but in here it's black. Is there any extra zipper in here? Okay, so that's the con about this bag. There's no small pocket zipper on the inside. it's just how it is, but it's stitched so well, it will sturdy, me not lie. The bag's sturdy. And inside is lined with Marc Jacobs. It's saying Marc Jacobs all over. Let me see if you guys could see it. Like, it's saying Marc Jacobs. The pros about this bag is very spacious, stylish but practical, and it goes with any outfit. Very sturdy. Two cons: no zipper on the inside, like the little small pockets, and it's heavy when it's full. When I say heavy, my shoulder feel it. So I would say this bag is for office girls, busy women. It's also for like travel errands, and also for a minimalist who carries a lot. I'm telling you, this bag fits a lot. It's deep. See? Deep. If you love the functional bags with style, the one here not gonna disappoint you. Not gonna disappoint you. I can give you my honest review because I didn't spend, like I said, it was a gift, so I don't have to make up anything. Like, I'm giving you my raw honest review. All right guys, so my final rating on a scale from 1 to 10, I would give this a 9. Why I said 9 instead of a 10, it's because of not having any zipper on the inside, the little small pockets where you could put like your little earpods, your lip gloss, personal little item in that little pocket area. That would be perfect if this bag had that, but unfortunately it doesn't. But the bag is so sturdy. You know how much time I used? I have this bag for 6 months now. 6 months going on 7. And the bag's sturdy. Man, I like the bag really sturdy. Like, it kept its form. I kept it clean because, like I said, I have it in a dust bag, and it still look brand new. You cannot tell me this is not brand new. Alright guys, that's my review. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.